After sailing across 2 oceans and accumulating more than 12,000 nautical miles of sea time, we had made it to the central island of the Pacific Ocean, Tahiti. For me, this meant surfing a wave that had captivated me since a young boy. The name of this beast is Teahupoo.
Hello.
Hey.
Thoughts, Kieran?
Yeah, it looks super clean compared to yesterday. I'm very interested in getting out, but I'm just going to wait for our friend Devon to catch us up. He should be right behind us, and I might go out.
Feels good.
Here we go, look at this.
Huge storms in the southern oceans generate swells that travel uninterrupted across thousands of miles of deep water. Positioned in the perfect place along the southeast corner of Tahiti is a reef towering from the kilometre-deep water. When these swells meet with this reef, waves take a form of monsters unseen anywhere else on the planet. After I had gotten the water, a young rider out of California, Sage Burke, got what was easily the wave of the day, getting deep in the barrel. Unfortunately, my leg rope snapped after going down on only 2 waves, and my board got washed over the reef into the inside of the lagoon.
Leg rope snapped. Oh. I just grabbed my thingy and go looking for it. Yeah, we'll come and get it.
Are you okay?
Yeah, I'm good.
Yeah.
Yesterday I took a few waves on the head and my leg rope stretched a little bit, and just then I went down on a massive one and it just snapped and it went.
Oh. We've located the board!
We've seen the board.
Woo!
It seems to be in one piece.
Are you in one piece?
I'm in one piece.
Good. Just there.
Still in one piece.
Woo!
How good? No damage?
Oh, amazing.
Local knowledge for the win.
Thank
you
you.
guys. So did I. Happy days. Now I just need to bowline it back together and go back out.
Fortunately, I returned the next day for a surf photographer to snap these beauties that will no doubtably be going on the wall in the near future.